it cannot take between 10 to 25 years for a trade deal to come into force. And that's a reality. It's not just a number I just pulled out of a hat. That's how long it has taken for the negotiations for Mercosur. That's how long it continues to take to make sure that our trade deal, for example, with Canada is fully implemented, even though it's about 97% there. Same goes for Australia and New Zealand, but big success with India, for example. So, of course, we would like to have zero tariffs. If you ask me what would have been perfect, is that there would be no tariffs between our continent and the United States. We are the world's largest trading partners. Our consumers depend on the US, and the US consumers also depend very largely on our products. If you see today what is tariffed and what is not, the number tips very much favorably over what is not tariffed. So I think, besides squabbling as to whether this was a good deal or not, and of course it will be scrutinized closely in the Parliament, because that's our role, that will come to us by the end of the year, but it also an understanding that our businesses, our investors, our companies on both sides of the Atlantic need predictability, that market volatility is bad for everyone, that we need to see how we can invest better, how we can be smoother, how we can make sure that we don't lose capital across the Atlantic, but perhaps keep it in order to invest and grow. So I'd turn it around and say, yes, we squabble, but at the end of the day, we have also tended to undersell our successes. We just need to get better at doing that.